I got into a bad car accident when I was 9. I was a 10-year-old alcoholic and drug addict. I became very violent.
Markel Taylor went on to spend the next 40 years in and out of prison.
I was simply a 47-year-old male with the brain of a 10-year-old child.
C.A. Shively met Markel in prison. He also was suffering from a TBI.
I was really short-tempered and snappy.
Neither man knew their rage and anger were caused by their injuries.
The folks with traumatic brain injury history in our group, relative to a control sample of like 44,000 people, have more significant felony conviction histories.
50 to 80% of people in the criminal justice system have a TBI. Professor Kim Gorgon says 97% of women in the criminal justice system have been exposed to violence and abuse. More than half have been exposed to repeated brain injuries.
These women's brains look like the brains of retired NFL players.
The professor says her research helps the person understand and work with their underlying behavioral problems.
You would be so stunned at how basic our suggested accommodations are and how mind-blowingly effective they are.
She and her team write 2 reports. One report goes to the system with specific recommendations on how to manage that inmate. They also write a detailed letter to the inmate.
Here's the things that you don't do well at all, but here's the one thing that you do relatively well, and here's how we're going to capitalize on that thing.
Markel knows exactly where he would be without Professor Gorgon's research.
I would be in prison for the rest of my life right now.
And now he's working to get other inmates the help they need. I'm Nancy Alvarez reporting.